Is it the right time to buy or sell NIO stock? Let's dive deep into NIO and provide you with a more detailed analysis. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, December 26, 2023. And now, we're here to give you all the important insights. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from December 26, 2023, our system has identified NIO as a strong buy candidate with a score of 5.39. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. We'll be closely monitoring this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The current trend over the next 3 months indicates a potential decrease of -8.21%, with a projected return between -31.78% and -8.21%. Looking ahead to the next 12 months, the trend suggests a -11.82% change, with a potential return ranging from -33.62% to 38.67%. This translates to a price range of $6.19 to $12.94 after 1 year. Our latest update for NIO highlights a strong day for its stock price on Tuesday, with a rise of 10.81% to $9.33. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, December 26, 2023, the NIO stock price increased by 10.81%, going from $8.42 to $9.33. This marks the third consecutive day of gains. It's interesting to see if this positive trend will continue or if there will be a minor pause in the coming days. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated by 9.27%, reaching a low of $8.63 and a high of $9.43. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by 21.48%, with gains in 8 out of the last 10 days. Additionally, the trading volume has increased along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. A total of 73 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, amounting to 128 million shares traded in total, valued at approximately $1.20 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price for NIO was $16.18, while the lowest was $7. Currently, the price is 42.34% lower than the 52-week high, amounting to a difference of $6.85. Furthermore, it is 86.07% lower than the all-time high, which was reached on January 11, 2021, with a price of $66.99. Analyst ratings. Recently, there have been some interesting analyst ratings for NIO, the Chinese electric vehicle company. On Monday, June 12, 2023, UBS gave NIO a neutral grade with a hold action. Similarly, on the same day, Citigroup gave NIO a buy grade with a hold action. Moving on to Tuesday, March 14, 2023, it was reported that JP Morgan gave NIO a neutral grade with a downgrade action. Additionally, on Thursday, March 2, 2023, Telsey Advisory gave NIO a neutral grade with a downgrade action. Lastly, on Thursday, December 29, 2022, Citigroup gave NIO a hold grade with a hold action. Analysts have given NIO stock a general buy rating. They have rated the PE ratio as strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. Additionally, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a neutral rating. Today, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for NIO. The chart shows mostly positive signals for the NIO stock. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a positive forecast, suggesting that it's a good time to buy. Additionally, the relation between these two signals also supports a buy signal, with the short-term average above the long-term average. If the stock experiences downward corrections, it will find support at $8.44 and $7.68. However, if it breaks below these levels, sell signals may be issued. On Friday, December 1, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 30.49% increase so far. This indicates a potential for further rise until a new top pivot is found. Moreover, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also suggests a buy signal. The volume is rising along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence signal, which indicates a buy signal. Next, we have the pivot signal, which also suggests a buy signal that occurred 17 days ago. The Bollinger signal is another buy signal, which was observed 5 days ago. On the other hand, the short-term moving average shows a sell signal that happened 5 days ago. However, the long-term moving average indicates a buy signal that occurred 9 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages also suggests a buy signal 9 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart and see what it tells us. The short moving average shows a buy signal that occurred 9 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal, but this one happened 2 days ago. Furthermore, the relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 66 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. Let's talk about the support levels for NIO's stock. Currently, there are 2 support levels just below today's price. The first one is at $8.35 and the second one is at $7.92. Support levels are important because they indicate potential areas where the stock might find buying interest and bounce back up. However, if the support level is broken, there is a possibility that the stock may fall further towards the next support level. In the case of NIO, if the support at $8.35 is broken, the next support level is expected to be at $7.92 and $7.43. It's important to keep an eye on these levels as they may influence the stock's future movement. Now, let's talk about the risk involved in trading this stock. NIO has average movements during the day and good trading volume, which indicates a medium level of risk. This means that there is a certain level of uncertainty in the stock's price movement, but it's not too high. Looking at the stock's recent performance, we can see that it had a price range of $0.800 between the high and low of the day, which is equivalent to a 9.27% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 6.79%. These numbers give us an idea of how much the stock can potentially fluctuate in the short term. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for NIO, let's first go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is either losing money or has negative earnings. It's not uncommon for well-established companies to experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, if a company consistently has a negative P/E ratio, it could be a sign of insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2023 is anticipated to be released on February 28, 2024. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for NIO. When analyzing the accumulated volume above, we can see that there's no significant resistance. This suggests that the stock has the potential to move upward rapidly in the right conditions. If you're considering entering a position, keep an eye on the volume as an indicator for when to exit. On the downside, NIO has its first support level at $8.35. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound in the stock's price. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $8.99, which represents a decrease of 3.64%. With medium daily movements, this stock carries a moderate level of risk. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom that was identified 16 days ago. Is NIO stock a good buy? Despite the stock being in a falling trend, NIO holds several positive signals that make it a strong choice at its current levels. We expect NIO stock to perform very well in the next 3 months. As such, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold/accumulate to a strong buy candidate. Our systems have analyzed the volatility and movements of NIO stock in the last trading day and have determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, December 27th, we anticipate NIO to open down by $0.200 and start trading at $9.13. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us does not serve as the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to StockInvest, where we share our current view of the stock market. We value your opinion, so don't hesitate to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious to know what your target is for this stock. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. We hope you have a successful trading day and a beautiful day ahead. Thank you for joining us here at StockInvest.